Well, first of all, a warm welcome to everyone joining us here in Lucid's headquarters in the heart of Silicon Valley, California. It's a really thrilling day for me to present the company and our first product, Lucid Air. When I joined the company 7 years ago, I did so with a clear mission, and that mission was to take the electric car to the next level. I felt that there was so much more potential in electrification, which was yet unfulfilled. And we're really close now to fulfilling that mission with the launch of Lucid Air, which is going into production in our plant in Arizona, spring 21. What really excites me today is that we'll, for the first time, show the whole lot collectively. We'll see the fusion of the art and the science, the technology, all coming together in an incredible product which will offer the customer so much more. Luxury and comfort, incredible performance, unrivaled range, so much space, just the volume of the frunk. And the HMI, it's a real beautiful piece of art.
I kind of laughed when he said frunk instead of trunk, but the rest was no laughing matter. Lucid Motors presents its first electric car to the world in an online reveal from the company's Silicon Valley headquarters yesterday on Wednesday. You just saw the CEO and an example of the Lucid Motors car. Lucid Motors is driven to make the electric car better by helping move the entire industry forward towards accelerated adoption of sustainable mobility. That's exactly what CEO and CTO Peter Rawlinson of Lucid Motors has said. So guys, we see the electric car market only heating up. We have NIO dominating China, Helion, Workhorse coming up, and of course the elephant in the room, Tesla. Should Tesla be scared? Are we going to see it fall more? Or was Uncle Henry right in yesterday's video about not panicking and just relaxing because Tesla will make us all millionaires? Finally, I'll tell you what this means long-term for both Lucid Air and Tesla stock. Are you ready to do two things, which is like the smash button for Uncle Henry and get stupid rich? Let's do it. My name's Henry if you're new, otherwise welcome back. I was doing some digging and discovered the Lucid chief was formerly the chief engineer on the Tesla Model S. The Newark-based company was founded in 2007 as a battery maker called Ativa and then relaunched itself as Lucid Motors in 2016. I got very excited because I thought Newark was New Jersey, but it was Newark, California. It currently has 1,200 employees, including those at its new EV factory in Casa Grande, Arizona, where production will begin in the coming months. Lucid said its luxury Air sedan will deliver a number of its industry firsts, including fastest charging, most aerodynamic, fastest quarter-mile time, under 10 seconds, and largest frunk. There we go again with the frunk. It stands for front trunk, and it's in any electric car vehicle that they have a front trunk because, obviously there's no motor in the front. The Lucid Air vehicle will do 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds and boasts an extended range capability that means it will be able to travel a total of 517 miles, or for the European folks or in the UK, 832 kilometers. That's on one single charge. Here's an Instagram post from Lucid Air with that nice 517-mile range claim. It will also charge faster than any other passenger vehicle on the market at a rate of 20 miles per minute when connected to a DC fast charging network. That's 300 miles and 15 minutes charging boost. So basically you grab a coffee, watch a video from Uncle Henry, and then you're basically, at 300 miles and you can go anywhere you want almost within reason. They are looking incredibly stylish, if I must say so, and looking at their Instagram, they are claiming to be the world's largest and longest and stupidest range electric vehicle. I meant to say longest, of course, not largest. Here's how the company is able to do this: by simultaneously making smaller yet more powerful electric motors and dramatically improving the packaging of the entire electric powertrain. Lucid is able to reclaim that space for passengers and their comfort while also making the car more efficient. Again, guys, I said this in a previous video, the electric battery technology is increasing at an exponential rate, and it is also on an exponential cost curve. So many exponentials, exponential cost curve, which all that means, guys, is that the cost is getting cheaper and cheaper to produce electric batteries. I'm not going to lie, I'm somewhat concerned Tesla may have stiff competition, but we will get into that later in this video. First, I want to point at how many similarities there are to Tesla, and this is all part of competition. People and companies copy off of each other all the time. As long as they're changing and putting their own twist to it, there can be many electric car companies competing, potentially even dozens of car manufacturers competing within one market. The driver assistance system Lucid built contains what Lucid said is the most comprehensive sensor suite on the market with 32 sensors. Derek Jenkins, Vice President of Design at Lucid Motors, said the result is that we are building the best car in the world and the numbers simply speak for themselves. It seems to me this company is pursuing the highest quality innovation and a luxury innovation, which I actually love. I think high quality and high price makes a lot of sense, and that's actually what I like to go for myself. They also have a very aggressive growth plan. In 2021, they want to open 20 Lucid studios and service centers across North America. Here are just some of the locations that they are targeting. What I like most, and I said this in a Neo video, is exceptional customer service. That's how Amazon grew so big, so quick. Well, Lucid has the factor as well. They are doing the same thing, which gets me very excited. Once you take delivery of the Lucid Air, you can rely on personalized service from a Lucid service team committed to anticipating your needs, offering time-saving solutions, and minimizing repair times. A nationwide network of service centers, mobile service providers, and certified collision repair centers will be linked to Lucid's centralized customer care group to address anything that can and cannot be remotely diagnosed and repaired. And Lucid service team will always contact you using preferred communication methods. That sounds amazing. It seems this company not only has a strong engineering team with ex-Tesla employees, but a strong marketing and customer service team that they have already built out. When I clicked reserve on the website, it asks for a $1,000 deposit due today. Basically, they are copying Tesla marketing and their business. We have seen many auto manufacturers copy Tesla, such as Audi. The bigger picture that I see is, yes, Lucid will have sales and probably attract lots of customers. Even more interesting is we have seen a lot of action in the SPAC, the special purpose acquisition company market, and I believe Lucid could be acquired or merged with another company that might be an acquirer. They have raised over $1 billion already, and their technology could greatly benefit a bigger competitor or even legacy makers such as Ford. I wouldn't say I'm very scared for Tesla yet though, because Tesla has bigger scale, better leadership, and a head start to all other electric car companies. Since I like larger, safer companies, I still think Tesla will dominate. So of the people, and this isn't very many of you guys, commented, "Oh my God, Tesla going down, losing money." Well, I think I had one sane person comment say, you don't lose money if you don't sell. And guess what? I bet some of the people that panicked sold their stock, and now Tesla is recovering a bit. That's because stocks don't only move up, they move up and down, guys. That's the stock market. That's the nature of making money within stocks. They don't only go in one direction. So if you think stocks only go this way, you really need to educate yourself and watch more of my videos. Anyways, Tesla is still a buy in my book. I even bought shares publicly in my ArcH portfolio on Patreon, and I showed proof of that. I bet a lot of my members there made some good money and got in at a good price. And what I'm saying here, guys, is you want to invest in stocks for the long term. And when stocks go down, they are actually more attractive, especially in the case of Tesla, which has a very good growth curve ahead of it. I will be focused on Lucid Motors and updating you guys. As of now, I don't see a hard IPO date or plans for them going public, so we will see what happens. Regardless, my expectation is that both Tesla and Lucid will both be profitable in the future, because the electric car market is going to be 90% of electric cars over the ICE vehicles, the internal combustion engines, by 2030, in my opinion, or even sooner, because we have to go that direction, both for environmental reasons and also just because it makes sense cost-wise. If you have any questions, please comment below. As always, thank you for making it this far in the video. I love every subscriber and read the comments regularly, so please send a comment and I'll make sure that I can do my best to respond. Feel free to add me on Insta. Here is my handle. I'll be back with another video soon. Be aggressive in learning, but be safe in investing. Give me that fist bump.
No one ever sees me.